Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to talk about uncaught type error x is not a function. So generally we get this kind of error whenever we declare any variable and define any value to it, but that is not a function, and still we try to call it as a function. So at that time we receive such kind of error. So without wasting any time, let's go to our console and let's see how it works. So if suppose here I am creating any variable abc, so I am declaring over here, and here I am assigning string value to it. Let's say hello world. So as hello world, and as this variable suggests that this is not a function, this is just a simple string. And now if I try to call it as a function, so here I am calling it as a function, so at that time we will receive this kind of error which says uncaught type error, abc is not a function. So whenever calling a function, it should be of type function. So here if I say let abc is equal to function, and then suppose if I write function code over here, so here I will just console anything, console.log anything. So here in this example, so this is clearly a function, so that is why we can call it, right? So at this moment we will not receive any error because this abc variable itself is a function. But if you see the first statement over here, abc is not a function, abc is a string, and still we are trying to call it as a function. So on the second line, so that is why we are receiving this uncaught type error, abc is not a function. I hope this concept is clear to you now. I hope you like this video. If you want more video like this, please press subscribe button and like this video.